Biko, come closer. Let's talk heart to heart. I was looking at my old photos from 2023 the other day. Remember how much a bag of pure water was then? Now look at 2026. If you kept 100k under your mattress since last year, that money isn't 100k anymore. In terms of what you can buy, well, let's just say it has shrunk. But wait, don't panic. You're here because you have the 100k and you don't want it to vanish into thin air or urgent 2k request from your cousin that never pays back. You're asking, when I put this money in this 2026 Nigeria so it can actually grow? Today, I'm not giving you big drama finance. I'm giving you the exact roadmap I would give my own younger brother. We're talking bills, the stock market, and even some street smart businesses you can start with exactly 100k. By the time we're done, you stop being afraid of inflation and start making it your work boy. If you're ready to move from Sakwa to soft life, hit the like button and let's dive in. First and first, you want safety. You don't want to wake up and hear that the app has disappeared. Then let's talk about treasury bills. T-bills for short. Basically, you're lending money to the federal government, and believe me, if the government can pay you back, then nobody in Nigeria can pay you back. In this 2026 market, TB rates are hovering around 18% to 21% rate, and if you put 100k into a one-year T-bill at 20%, your interest would equal 20,000 naira, and after a year, you have a total of 120,000 naira. I know you're thinking only 20k. That's just one night at the lounge, but wait, oh. The beauty of TBs in Nigeria is that they often pay you the interest upfront. You invest 100k today, and by tomorrow or next week, 20k drops into your account. You can take that 20k and reinvest it elsewhere. That's what we call compound. Use apps like PiggyVest, Carrywise, or even your banking app like GTB or Zenith. You don't need to wear a suit and go to the marina anymore. You can do it while eating your amala. Now, if you want to be a big boy or big girl, you need to own things. Shebi, in 2025, we saw what happened with the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Now imagine what would happen in 2026. I mean, the NSA is doing things we didn't expect. Companies in the energy and the tech sectors are flying. But I have a secret for you: fractional investing. You don't need to buy a whole share of a big company. With 100k, you can spread that your money. Put 30k in a solid Nigerian bank stock. They always pay dividends, and put the other 70k into US stocks. Think about it. Every time you watch a movie on Netflix or buy data for Instagram, you're making these companies rich. Why not let them pay you? You can use apps like Bamboo, Chaka, or RiseVest. Now let's imagine a scenario. You buy $50 worth of a tech stock. It goes up, and we know how a naira likes to dance now. Your investment is protected. You win twice. The stock price goes up and the dollar value goes up. Now, this is my personal story. I remember when I bought my first US stock, which was 20k. I felt like Elon Musk's neighbor. It wasn't much, but seeing that value in dollars gave me peace of mind when the local economy was shaking. Okay, some of us are hustlers. You don't want to wait a year for 20% interest. You want to move that money. Can you start a business with 100k in 2026? Well, the answer is yes. And here are two hot ideas right now: phone accessories and gadgets. You can buy trending wireless earbuds or fast chargers from sites like 1688 or Alibaba. 100k can get you a decent batch, and if you sell each with a 2k profit, you sell 50 pieces, boom, that's 100k profit. You've doubled your money. Now another business angle is the POS. In many neighborhoods, people still struggle to find working ATMs. Now a POS terminal plus some float money, the cash you give out, can be started with 100k. It's steady daily income. But please, don't go and start a business selling winter coats in Onitsha. Look at what people actually need daily. That is the only thing you need to key into with your 100,000 naira. I beg, no carry a jaw enter 2026. No carry 'em. Now, if you feel T-bills are too official and you feel business they like overly stressful, then MMF, money market funds are your best friend. Now think of it like a digital ajo or a susu. But instead of a person holding your money, it's a professional fund manager. Why MMF? Number one, liquidity. If you have an emergency, you can actually get your money back in 24 to 48 hours. Now, the returns are usually higher than your regular savings account. So in 2026, many are giving 15% to 19% interest rate. Now, I want to advise you I want to advise you, sister to sister, don't just leave money in your regular spending account. The bank will just be sending you maintenance fee alert. Until your 100k becomes 98k. God forbid. Move it to a locked plan or an app like VBank or Fair Money. So how do we split this 100k? Here's the big brother sister blueprint. Now, you put 40k into T bills or MMF. This is your safe base. It is guaranteed. Then you put 30k into US and Nigerian stock. This is for wealth, long-term growth. Then you now put 30k into a small business or skill. Now this is your hustle to generate more cash fast. Does that make sense? You're protected, you're growing, and you are active. Listen to me. The biggest risk in 2026 is not taking any risk at all. Don't wait until you have 1 million naira. If you can't manage 100k, you can't manage 10 million. So start today. Even if you're just moving that 100k into a high interest saving app while you're still thinking. I want to see you winning. I want to see you in the comment a year from now saying that 100k is now 250k because of your advice. So if you don't do that now, then when inflation eats up your money. If you found this helpful, do your friend a favor, subscribe to this channel. We are building a community of wealthy Nigerians who don't just work for money but make money work for them.